What is contact rate, contact percent, in advanced baseball metrics? Imagine watching a batter swing and wondering how often they actually make contact with the ball. That's where contact rate, also called contact percentage, comes into play. It's a key part of advanced sabermetrics and helps us understand a hitter's plate discipline. Contact rate measures how often a player makes contact with the ball when swinging at a pitch. To find it, you take the total number of pitches where the batter successfully hits the ball and divide that by the total swings they take. So, if a player swings at 100 pitches and makes contact with 75 of them, their contact rate is 75%. This number gives us a good idea of how consistent a hitter is at connecting with pitches. It doesn't tell us how well they hit the ball, just that they are able to make contact. It's a simple but powerful way to gauge a player's hand-eye coordination and their approach at the plate. When comparing players from different eras, contact rate helps show who was more consistent in making contact when they swung. Over recent years, league average contact rates have dropped from about 80.7% in 2011 to around 76 to 77% in recent seasons. That shows how the game has evolved with more pitchers throwing harder and with more movement. There are other metrics that build on contact rate to give us a clearer picture. Zone contact rate, for example, looks only at pitches inside the strike zone. It measures how often a batter makes contact on pitches that are more hittable. Then there's Contact Plus, an advanced metric that adjusts contact rate based on how difficult the pitches are to hit. It considers factors like pitch velocity, movement, and location. This helps us see if a player's ability to make contact is truly above average, even when facing tough pitches. Contact rate is closely linked to batting average because making contact is the first step to getting a hit. But it doesn't tell us about how hard or well the ball is hit. That's covered by other stats like exit velocity or launch angle. Still, contact rate is a useful baseline for understanding a player's consistency at the plate. Teams and analysts use it to evaluate a hitter's plate discipline, predict future success, and spot changes in their approach over time. Players with high contact rates tend to strike out less and avoid streaky slumps, making this metric a valuable tool for understanding both past and present performance.